Every second, invisible messages are flying through your house. They pass through walls. They jump between devices. They reach servers thousands of kilometers away. But there is one silent machine deciding where every single packet goes. You never see it work. You only notice it when it fails. This is the router. How routers work. A router is not just an internet box. At its core, a router is a traffic controller. Its real job is simple, but powerful. Right arrow, it decides where data should go. Every time you open a website, watch a video, send a message, your device creates data packets. Each packet contains a source IP address, a destination IP address, the server, instructions on how to be delivered. The router reads this information and asks one question: where should I send this next? To answer that, it uses something called a routing table, a constantly updated map of networks. This is not guessing. This is mathematical decision-making, done in milliseconds. Inside every router, there is a processor, CPU, makes routing decisions. RAM stores routing tables and active connections. Network interfaces, Ethernet ports, and wireless radios. Firmware, router OS, the brain controlling everything. So yes, a router is a special-purpose computer built only for networking. And now comes the magic part. Ethernet is wired communication. Data travels as electrical signals, copper cables, or light pulses, fiber optic cables. Ethernet is fast, stable, low interference. Enters the router through Ethernet from your ISP modem or a fiber ONT device. But your phone has no Ethernet cable. So how does wired data become wireless? The router does not change the data itself. It only changes how the data is transmitted. The Wi-Fi signal spreads in all directions. Your phone listens on the correct frequency, authenticates using encryption, decodes the signal back into digital data. And just like that, Ethernet becomes Wi-Fi. Now, why Wi-Fi is slower than Ethernet? Wi-Fi is slower because it is shared, many devices, one radio. It suffers from interference. It must retransmit lost packets. It uses air, not a dedicated wire. Ethernet, full duplex, dedicated, stable. That's why servers, data centers, and professionals still rely on wires. Every video you watch, every message you send, every click you make, your router decides its fate. Silent, fast, unnoticed, until the day it stops working. And suddenly, the internet feels very far away. This is NetByte Digital, where invisible technology becomes visible.